So, checking in the neck, it almost immediately jumps at me how tight the left side is. This is better motion the whole way around in through right. If we bring it up. Any wrapping pressure through the head if we press into the suboccipitals here?
Pressure, yes, but no, like since you're doing that, I notice it, but not like on a 1 to 10 scale. It's like a 2.
Okay. And how high does that get when you're?
That gets more on the right side than the left side.
Any of that same like wrapping if I press in?
Yeah, so that goes towards like through here.
Okay. So it's unfortunately kind of common. So we're going to get the joints freed up before we do much else. Okay. And a little more there. There it is. Good. Then I'm going to kind of aggressively get into the suboccipitals. Are you going to be okay with that amount of pressure?
Yeah, give her.
You let me know if there's too much headache in there. But yeah, unfortunately, the suboccipitals will often start causing that headachy pain when they get upset. Now, has this been worse since the desk setup changed?
No.
Like the new chair or anything like that?
I wouldn't say so, no.
No? Okay. There we go. Good. Can it be okay if we do the same on the other side?
Yeah.
No, the other side wasn't quite as bad. Oh. It's hard to really get into somebody's neck and not screw up the mask.
Yeah, no kidding. Oh, yeah,
that's more trap.
That's not
First
happy
rib
at all.
trap is not happy. Does that come up into the head at all either?
No.
No? Okay.
I'm just going to straight up
pin and
localize.
stretched. Pin and stretch, yeah.
That comes up into the head.
Okay, there we go. Oh. It's really not as bad in through this side. Through there is not thrilled, but. Good. And then we're going to check how well you're able to hold. Can you just hold your head in the air for a sec there? Let me see if I can bring it down. Shaky. If I turn you to the left a little, can you hold that up? So it's going to isolate more of the scalenes on the right side, so you get to relax there for a sec. Can you bring your hand just under the collarbone there? Check the neurolymphatic point, and then hold that up in the air again. That's a fair bit better, so you get to relax. We're going to work in through, that might be tender. Probably not as bad as anything else has been so far, though.
That's a walk in the park.
Yeah. So far, the right scalenes have shut down on you. And if you come back up, try and hold that there for me without any help. Much happier. I'm going to get you to turn all the way left. We're going to test more of the SCM. Good. And then a little bit to the right. So we're checking the left scalenes. They seem happier. And then left SCM. Good. Okay. And if we check right in through the front of the neck, anything in there that's referring anyone?
No.
No? Okay, good. And anything in through the right side?
No.
Not so much. Good. Just one spot in there. I want to wait till it works out. You're okay with the pressure there?
Yeah.
Perfect. All right, and I'm going to get you to turn over for me when you're ready.
Oh, it was ab day. I'm gonna roll. I'm gonna fail a sit up on camera.
We can always just edit that part. Perfect. You good there?
I'm just gonna drop it.
So we're going to drop into the CT region, which is also not super happy. I'm going to start in through here. We're going to open that up. Breath in. And out. We might edit that part out too. There. Yeah. All right. And then a breath in. Let that out. Yeah, just in general and through here, you've been crazy stiff lately. Lats are not particularly happy with you either. Just functionally, actually, can you bring your arm up to your side? I'm going to see if the lat actually works. I'm going to try and pull you out here. That's pretty good, and then I'll switch you. So, yep, and then squeeze that in. I'm going to see if I can bring you out. Good. Okay, so lats work. They're just not happy. I'm going to bring the percussor out.
Okay.
And just try and drop into that for me. You're okay with that, eh?
Yeah.
Perfect.
I did notice on that right side, my pec got a little bit involved too.
Okay. Yeah, we'll check everything in the front out when I've got you sitting, but... I'm going to work up through the CT. And then sink into the other lat. Good. Good. So we're going to bend both knees up from here, just to check. Now, if I really push you to the end point, you're a lot happier bending on that right side. Any pain in through the hips? Any pain through the back?
No.
Can you raise the right leg up as high as it'll go? Good. And then drop that down. Try the left. And left goes a fair bit higher. If I bend you up to the left, can you hold that there? Not so great. Just then hold. Good. So we're going to bring just the left one back. Try and hold that there. Good. So if we untorque the hips, that comes along. I'm going to get you turned so you're facing over towards here. Good. You're good there?
Yep. Didn't need much there.
No, that was easy. I'm going to get you on the other side for me. Good. It's nice and tight. Took a little more. I'm going to get you back face down when you're ready. So this time, that bends much more evenly. Can you raise the right as high as the other one? And the other one? Okay, so actually that brought out a little more of an imbalance. Just gonna be right in through there. Deep breath in when you're ready. Let that in. Nice and quiet, but can you bring that right one up again? There we go, and the left. Perfect. So that's what we want to see there. I'm going to get you sitting when you're ready. Okay. Come around behind you. We're going to check the shoulders. So, I'm going to check the range in through the right. I'm going to bring you back. Actually, for you, that's really good. So is that.
Even considering I just beat the shit out of the chest.
Well, exactly. Again, pretty good. You get relaxed there. And I'm going to come around here. Can I get you to bring both arms out in front of me? I'm going to give you some pressure down. Hold. Good. Can you turn your thumbs down and hold? Good. Starting with the left, try and hold that in. I'm going to try and pull it out.
Oh,
that can be better.
Sucked.
Same thing on the right. Right is happening.
Yeah.
I'm going to get you, take your right hand, and we're just going to get you along the border of the pec there, and hold. And, sorry, actually, I'm an idiot. That should have been below the collarbone there. And hold. There we go. Sorry, different sections of the pec, and I wasn't thinking straight. And then if you bring the other hand, the hand there, just perfect. So you get to relax. We're going to work in through the tendon insertions of the pec.
Oh.
Sorry.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, sometimes deep breaths. The tendons are upset. You can definitely feel that.
Oh my goodness. This would explain. So like I'll do like overhead pressing or something and my shoulder just like falls asleep. It's like I do one set and it's like, okay, time to go for a nap.
Okay, yeah, that's far from
And
ideal.
it's like exactly in that spot too.
Alright, so you might get some homework of just kind of going through and doing this.
Yeah, okay.
So about the same pressure, just enough that you're getting, you kind of feel the tendons under there.
Okay.
Alright, and then I'll get you to shake that arm out. You're here, hold that in again. Good, so that's happy. And then I'm going to get you to press down into me. Good, and I'll switch your arms. And same thing, thumb down, press down into me. Good. That should be good. Alright.
Beautiful.
Feel that out. How does that feel, especially in through the neck and shoulders?
I feel like I can shoulder check again. Yeah. No, man, when you were working on that right trap, that was like some of life before me. I think that was like a moment of epiphany.
Oh, jeez.
All right. Thank you.